Automate ticket auto assignment to available agents with n8n. Hey everyone, welcome back to another AI automation tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to build an automation that auto assigns support tickets to available agents using n8n completely no code. These systems remove the need to manually check who's free, who's overloaded, or who's offline. Instead, we let n8n handle everything. New tickets come in, it checks your agent list, pick the first available one, assign it, and send a notification, all automatically. Let's build it step by step. We'll start with a webhook trigger node in n8n. Set the path to auto assign. This webhook will be triggered by your helpdesk tool whenever a new ticket is created, like the Zendesk, Intercom, or Freshdesk. Typical payload example: ticket ID, subject, priority, customer, and email. Each time a ticket arrives, n8n instantly runs your automation. Add a set node to organize incoming data. Create the fields like ticket ID, subject, priority, customer, email, and create it at. On the ticket ID will be JSON ticket ID, on the subject will be JSON subject, on the priority JSON priority, on the customer JSON customer, and on the email JSON email. Created at, date when was created. These steps keeps your data clean and standardized for the rest of your workflow. Add a Google Sheet node. This sheet will serve as your agent database. Use operation read from sheet. The sheet name you can put agents, and the column example will be, for example, agent name, email, status, and tickets today. On the status can be available, busy. n8n will now pull live data about agent statuses and workloads. Add a filter node or a simple if node but without coding. We'll only keep agents whose status is available. Condition, field status, operation equals value available. This way, the next step only receive rows of agents who are currently free. Add an aggregate node to sort agents by their ticket today count. Operation minimum, fields tickets today. This ensures that the agent with the fewest ticket is selected first. n8n will automatically find the best agent for the job, balancing workload and availability, and no manual checks required. Now let's assign the ticket. Now that you know who's available, we'll assign the ticket. Add a set node called assign ticket. Create the following files: assign to JSON agent name, assign email JSON email, ticket ID JSON ticket ID, assign at. Now, this data will be sent to your CRM or stored for reference. Next, add a Slack node or email node to notify the assigned agent. Let's open it. Channel ticket assignment, and the text will be this: new ticket assign, ticket ID, subject, customer. This agent will be notified instantly whenever they get a new ticket. And finally, add a Google Sheet node again to log every assignment. Operation will be append sheet ticket assignments, and the column mapped will be ticket ID, assigned to, priority, assign at. This gives you a live record of all auto assignment your AI automation made, ready for reporting or analytics later. Let's zoom out now to see all the workflow. Perfect. And that's it, guys. You just built a fully automated ticket assignment system using n8n, completely no code. Now every ticket goes to the right agent automatically based on availability, workload, and data, not guesswork. This is how support automation should work: smart, fair, and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to automate next with n8n and AI automation. Bye bye.